Well, after a huge move to the downside yesterday, the markets decided to chop again. Historically, Thursdays are really hard days for me to trade. I naturally just lose on Thursdays for whatever reason. And so today I got a little green bag and decided to run with it for the morning session. So please sit back and enjoy as we recap these trades. Yo, good morning. How we doing? So yesterday we had FOMC and we dumped out of it, in case you didn't know. It's pretty exciting. Did I trade it? Yes, I did. Not a ton and not super aggressively. A lot of negative things were said, and so it just kind of brings up like do we break 11,000 here? Like in the short term? You know, like that's kind of the mindset that I'm starting to see here. Okay, so the markets are open. We're obviously opening up a below value area. We kicked up to the prior swing low once on the overnight session. If we get that again, I think we're rotating pretty high. If we pop 800 basically, but everything just seems heavy to me. So we're gonna take it slow, nice and easy, see what goes on. Okay, we just ran through that block at 75. Now we got a block at 70. We got 580 sitting at 70. Take with that information what you will. Part of me really wants to take the short up here at 15. I'm taking the trade. I'm short here. We're back into the range. Could have gotten a little better short at 15-ish, but we had a quick little breakout above it, dropped back into it, and I'm short. So just acceptance back into the little short-term range is basically the whole trade here. See if that flushes or not. I feel like a lot of times this type of move where it comes in real quick ends up dumping. I'm gonna go ahead and put my stop in at break even here. Just a little above. Lock in some money. I'm looking at a 69 exit. But I might be killing this right now. I'm gonna go ahead and take that off. I'm gonna lock in 10 points there. ES is catching a little bit of a bounce, but I just don't know if it's enough. I think we still have that block at 72. We do, which is kind of helping me kind of think that we might have some more continued move to the downside here. I left probably 20 points on the table because I would have just gotten out. That was a quick little flush. So the 69 trade would have played out. I'd be at $400 instead of $200. I will say this week, I think honestly the last couple weeks I have been very happy with my trades. Winners and losers. I've been feeling very confident with the decision making. Delta looks good. We're right near the top of the range though, so it's just a question of, are we going to push the rest of the day here? Or is this just about to roll over because this is a spot that makes sense to roll over if it's going to do it? Yes, trying to short-term reject VWAP. Kind of an aggressive wick test. This is basically where I got burned yesterday, actually. Yesterday morning, I took this exact same trade and I got burned on it. Popped out of the short-term range, took the wick test with the continued move to the upside in mind, and it just dumped all the way back down to, yeah, it just dumped. So I'm not going to take it. While I do like this type of move, I'm not taking it only because I took it yesterday and I got burned on it, and I don't really want to get burned right now. I'm going to wait for something a little bit more high probability. I can't believe we just rotated all the way back down to 70. That's crazy. And like the longs still look pretty decent down here, to be honest. I'm taking a long. I like it. Delta looks good. We're at the bottom of the range. Kind of bouncing around. Not doing a whole lot yet. There it goes. Back up into point of control. Rejecting it. I got to kill that. I don't like that rejection off point of control. Basically a scratch trade there. It's a little spooky to me. I probably should have gotten out at 89. Wanted a little bit more out of it, but this type of rejection right off point of control, that's like prime slap territory that I don't want to be a part of. So I got out.